All right, so warming up here. First of all, simplifying radicals is still due, so make sure you get that in. Quiz is tomorrow. 1 week from nothing. No big deal. All right. And then let's do this warm up. Now, give me a few minutes so we can knock this out. Now, on this warm up, who was not here yesterday? Anybody not here yesterday? Okay, so we learned, or it should be a review of Pythagorean theorem. So if you've done that before, that's what we're doing. There's two ways to write your answer. One's as a decimal, and one's as the simplified radical form, which is the factor tree stuff, right? So I'm gonna show you one example, but make sure you grab your notes filled out and the assignment from the bin if you weren't here, or if you lost it. On this problem, it's a missing side of a right triangle, so we got to use Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Let's write that down. I also want to label A, B, and C. A and B are next to the 90. They make the 90-degree angle, A and B. But C is across from 90, okay? Okay, so I got A, B, C. We're going to plug these three things into the Pythagorean theorem equation. So A is x squared, B is 5 squared, C is 14 squared. Okay, so this is like number 2 and number 4 on your notes yesterday. When you have a missing leg, okay, we're going to square these numbers. What is 5 squared? 5 times 5. 25. What's 14 squared? 14 squared is 196. Okay, now I need to solve this for x. So if I want to solve for x, I got to get rid of this plus 25. How do I get rid of a plus 25? Minus 25. So minus 25 here, minus 25 here. So I get x squared equals 196 minus 25 is 171. Okay. Now that's x squared equals 171. Our last step is going to be to get rid of a square, we have to square root. Okay, so square root here, square root here. Your last step is always square root. So the question is, what's the square root of 171? If the instructions say to round it, okay, then you're going to need to plug it in the calculator, give me the decimal rounded, okay? But this one does not say rounded, it says simple radical form, which means we're going to have to do a factor tree. You with me? What you got in here? Yeah, on this side though. Take it out. Don't do your work, do your warm-up. Take it out. Bring a pencil. Take it out. I know, so you should get one next time. Headphones. So close. Almost there. You're wasting my time on my recording. Can you take it out, please? Thank you so much. All right, now, square root of 171. I'm going to write it off to the side so I can do a factor tree. We always start with 2. Can 171 be divided by 2? It's an odd number, so no, right? Well, let's try 3 in the back. Hey. So let's try 3. Does 3 go into 171? What do y'all think? Okay, so if you're not sure, you tried dividing it, and we did here, and it gives me a whole number, so it works, right? So 3 times 57. Okay, let's try 3 again. Does 3 go into 57? Wait a minute. You don't got headphones in here, dude. Yeah. Oh, I got 2 and 1. Yeah, you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Sneaky, sneaky. All right, so 57. If you divide 57 by 3, do you get a whole number? Yes, you do. 3 times 19, right? Now, if you try to divide 19, it will not work because it's prime, okay? So we're done with our tree. Do we have a pair in this tree? A pair tree? Okay, yeah, we do. Pair of 3, cross one out, so sad. So we got a pair of 3, loner 19. How do we write the answer? Yeah, couple goes out, Loner stays in. 3 square root of 19 is my answer, right? We have this on the notes from yesterday, which you either have or you can get. You got to do the assignment 1 through 10, okay? It looks like this. And guess what? This is on your assignment. It's number 6. So check what you got with this, and if you didn't do it, there's a freebie, okay? But you need to do the rest of that. I know it's a shorter class, right? You see the schedule on the board here. When you finish your assignment, you need to do your review. Did everyone grab the review on the way in? We're reviewing because what's tomorrow? Not a test, a quiz, okay? If you don't get to your review today during class, please do it tonight. I posted the answers literally on the wall, but they're also posted in the Google Classroom. You don't have to get up, just look on your phone. There's a video of me doing the entire review on Google Classroom in the stream. You can do it tonight, for sure, from Google Classroom. If you're not in my Google Classroom, we can get that fixed today with my codes, okay? But please do your review, bring it completed tomorrow. There's a quiz tomorrow. The quiz is very similar to the review, I promise, okay? Let's get that done.